Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a La Pavoni professional fist in the shop, and I came in for a general tune-up on the machine, and also the replacement of the pressure gauge, because the old pressure gauge was just really bad. I also tried to polish up the machine as best as I could. There's some parts that are kind of hard to reach, but just want to make it as nice as possible. So yeah, now we're going to quickly test the machine. So we're going to first put this coffee in the group head. With that new gasket is nice and tight. Get our little cup here. Pull all the way up till you hear the suction right there. Let that chamber fill up. It's pretty much pre-infusion also because it's water's gradually pushing down on the coffee. And now with even pressure, we're going to push down. Now don't worry if this runs a little too fast or a little too slow. I don't calibrate the coffee to the machine, but this is looking like it's coming out really good actually. Beautiful. Beautiful cup or beautiful shot of coffee there. And now you don't usually for these Pavonis you want to leave the lever down and don't take this out instantly, because what will happen is if you were to pull this out, there's still a little bit of pressure since there's no release valve on this group head. There's still pressure in there, so if you were to take it out instantly, the machine will actually kind of sneeze and coffee will get all over the place. So you usually want to wait a few, as you can see with those drips of coffee. Lastly, we're going to test the steam wand. Nice and low. I also did take out the steam wand completely and cleaned it out for milk. There was quite a lot. So yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.